how to make money online. Now, if you hear that in a YouTube video, chances are somebody's trying to sell you something, and that is not the case with this video. What I'm going to do right now is show you exactly what I did, my blueprint on how I made my first $1 online and then $50 online. Think about that. If you're making $50 a day online, that's $1,500, and that's more than most people's mortgage. So follow through with me, and I'll show you exactly what to do right now. Before I do that, I just want to say thanks to those of you that tapped the like button and subscribe to the channel. And at the end, I'm going to show you some pictures from our last trip, summer trip of the season in beautiful Fort Bragg. But let's jump over to the computer right now. Okay, so I don't want to make this overly simplified, but it really is a simple process. And the first thing that we're going to do for those of you, especially for beginners, is we're going to go and find an offer. We're going to go find an offer on ClickBank, and we're going to look for new products that aren't overly saturated, and we're going to look for products that are high converting. So if I come over here to the ClickBank marketplace, I'm going to do a look for an offer. I'm going to jump into cooking, food, and wine. And let's see what this looks like. Here's keto. Keto is very popular right now. I'm not going to choose keto because of its popularity. That sounds counterintuitive, but here's one: anabolic cooking, muscle building cookbook. So that kind of sounds a little unique, a little different, and it certainly is the type of title that is describing an outcome, which is great. And plus, it's almost a $50 average sale. And let's jump over and look and see what they have. So if we look at their offer real quick, they got a little pop up there. This is the front end that we're going to drive traffic to their website. So that looks good to me. Also, let's look at their affiliate page. And if we look on their affiliate page, you want to look for a number of things. You want to look for email sequences. So here's some sample emails. That looks great because I don't want to have to write most of this, although I will refine their emails so that it doesn't sound so sleazy. So that's good that they have those resources. Also, it looks like under marketing tools, they have banner ads, brandable PDFs. So they have a lot of assets for me to use. So that's definitely going to be a good thing. So this looks good to me. I will go ahead and promote this offer. And I'll click on promote, and I'll generate my hop link and go through this process. But I'm not getting into every single detail on this. I want to show you the blueprint. I want to show you how easy this is. So we find a ClickBank offer. Now listen, once you get going, again, this is for beginners. This is your beginning stage. When you first start out with affiliate marketing, you're going to go somewhere easy that makes it for you easy, like ClickBank. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to other affiliate networks and other places that you can drive traffic to and get paid. And usually you can get paid a lot more. They have a lot higher ticket affiliate offers. So again, we're going to cut our teeth and get started by using ClickBank. And then we're going to go to greater affiliate networks once we have figured things out, because we don't want to waste any money. We don't want to waste money on going the advanced route first. So let's talk about traffic for a minute. Traffic comes in the form of a few different forms here. One way is free traffic. And you hear SEO, and everybody always shrugs their shoulders when we talk about SEO, but SEO is a real thing. SEO is something that you should be focused on all the time. If you're going to create a long-term sustainable business making money as an affiliate, you need to learn how to do SEO. And you can add a blog component to that traffic source. A YouTube channel like I'm created here with Adventures in Ecom is a great free traffic source. Another one is free social. So Facebook, Instagram, and all of the other ones. You want to be in as many places as you can be. You want to create your content once, whether it's a video or a blog post or whatever, and you want to share it. Maybe you're using Hootsuite or something like that to share all your social platforms. Once we get going, and after a while, an email list is going to be invaluable. We make tons and tons and tons of money today with our email list, but we had to start somewhere. So on day one, we did not have an email list. And then that really kind of jumps me over to my single favorite traffic source, which is paid traffic. And that comes in a lot of different flavors. But the flavor that I'm talking about today, the flavor that I got started with in affiliate marketing is YouTube. And YouTube has evolved tremendously. That's why last October or November, I started a YouTube channel. And you're watching that right now. So YouTube is a great place, and that's what we're going to utilize. We're going to create ads on the YouTube platform for people that are looking for and searching for answers to our questions, to their questions right now. Now, I don't like running Facebook ads nearly as much as YouTube ads because the ad cost has gotten so high and it is such a saturated ad platform. And YouTube really is very, very much underutilized in today's day and age. So think about that. That's where we're going to start, and that's where I suggest that you start. Again, I'm not selling you a YouTube course. I'm not selling you anything. I'm just trying to run you through how you can make your first dollar online as an affiliate marketer. So we have our offer found. Next, if you're thinking about YouTube, we don't have to create ads, video ads for YouTube. We can use standard display ads on YouTube and drive them over to, I would suggest, here I am on Canva. I would suggest using Canva to create some ads to use to drive people over to our landing page. So what we're going to do is we're going to find an offer, and then we're going to drive that traffic over to our lander. And let me make this a little bit bigger for you. And I'm going to change the color from red to, I don't know, purple. Now, we're going to drive people over to our lander, and you can use something like Lead Pages. It is probably one of the most inexpensive, done for you, Staples easy button type of landing page solutions. So you can create a super simple lander that is relevant to your ad and relevant to your offer. But what we're going to do is we're going to drive the traffic here and collect an email address. Once we collect the email address, we send them, we're going to either give them, what's great about this is we can tell them, if we go back to the resource page here, we have brandable PDFs. So we're going to send them this, the Muscle Cooks 10 most anabolicious recipes. And we're going to, in exchange for their email address, we're going to give them that book. And then we're going to drive them right over to the page where we're going to try to make the sale. Another place that I use, and this is what I started with, was like a lead page or a ClickFunnels or something along those lines, but they can get pricey. I have turned my attention to using Divi, and Divi is a WordPress theme. So I'm very comfortable with using WordPress, so I use Divi, and then I host them on Amazon AWS, and it is lightning fast, and speed is the number one thing that you need to be concerned with in creating landing pages and mini sites for your affiliate business. Now, I have a full video on setting up landing pages and basically WordPress hosting on Amazon AWS. You can check that out. It's in the corner, but watch that video as well. And then at the end of the day, let me come back here. We're going to find an offer. We're going to select our paid traffic source. We're going to send it to our lander, and we're going to send this by way of YouTube traffic. And we're just going to come into Google Ads. You need to have your Google account set up, and then come into Google Ads, and we are going to just create traffic, set it up for video traffic. And I'll just click on this and show you. If we click video traffic, we're going to do a custom video campaign, and then you'll just go through and set up your video, your ad in here to land only on and be shown only on YouTube. Now, there are certain audience targeting techniques that we use, and if you want me to go through a full campaign setup like this, I just got off the phone with a buddy of mine. We're setting up a full campaign for both mortgage leads and solar leads. Solar is really, really hot right now, and so there's some big money in solar affiliate leads. But we're setting all that up right now and running it all through YouTube. We're actually creating the videos and things. But again, you don't have to have videos to run these types of ads. You can have banner ads and static ads and drive traffic and do it extremely efficiently. But I'll go through and shoot a whole video. If I get enough comments down below that say, show me, create a video, or show me the money. That's what I want you to say. Comment below and say, show me the money. And I will create a video on setting up an audience that is specific for either mortgage or solar or this affiliate offer or whatever. But just go through and give me a comment below. Tell me, hit the like button if you got some good value out of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can stay up on the latest in making money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future videos, and don't forget to like this video. Now, watch that video next. Go ahead, watch that video.